Make a great choice today with the 2023 ES. Lexus has sold the ES family of vehicles since 1989 as its mid-sized luxury sedan line. The ES series has become the best-selling sedan for Lexus and known for its emphasis on interior amenities. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, starter type, motor generator, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes, regenerative braking system, airbags, front knee. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.